Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. I'm doing an update on the S&P 500 tech stock. Everything's moving accordingly as of right now. So we did get more volatility in the market, and it did move to the upside, and it made a new high. So wow, we're looking at a $10 move here. It happened in this sector. It's still moving to the upside. It's a different trading level right now, so we will see what this thing continue to do. I'm gonna give you guys another. Let's see, we might do another analysis on this thing and see what's gonna happen. So just give me a moment. Yeah. So coming back to the market, so we know this thing rallied and moved all the way up here. So we can possibly maybe have some consolidation happening here. So we know this thing is still overbought a lot. So it may consolidate a little bit and possibly either gonna consolidate a little bit, pull back, and continue this run to go higher. So that's what I'm expecting this tech stock to do. So if the bulls still remain in the market, it's not gonna let up too much right now. But we'll see what's going on. We'll see if it's gonna consolidate here, or maybe form a new range here between this new high, and a new support here. So we'll see if it comes down to do this, either range, consolidate a little bit, then continue to move higher. We'll see over the next few weeks what news and earning reports was going to come out, and see how things continue to push this market to the upside and how long this bull run is going to last. But that's the update, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.